welcome to Gem's Journal, or welcome back. Now, it's been a while since I've started a video in the car, but before we get into today's video, I wanted to have a little chat with you. Now, for those of you that don't know, I have a little girl. Her name is Darcy. She's 9, and she has asked me a couple of times if she can come on one of these adventures with me and be in the video, and it's been something I thought long and hard about. I've been like 50-50, because part of me doesn't really want her on YouTube and in the midst of social media, and I don't want to be teaching her those kind of things. And then the other half of me really wants to introduce her to this side of mum and my life and what I do. So it's been quite a difficult decision to make, but she's here, she's with me. Yay! Yay! And the reason I decided to have her join me on one of these adventures is because it's Gem's Journal, and before that it was Gem Outdoors, and I started recording these videos as something to look back on and to document the fun things that I was doing. And she is part of that. She is part of my journal and part of me and part of my life. And when I look back on the fun things that I'm doing, why shouldn't she be part of that? Yeah?
Yeah.
And she was getting FOMO.
What do you mean?
When I said to you, do you want to watch my video of what I've done this weekend? What did you say?
No, because I feel like I'm jealous.
Yeah.
I might be jealous because I haven't been able to like climb an actual mountain before, like a proper one.
And yeah, you felt like you were missing out, didn't you?
Yeah.
And whilst we do lots of fun stuff together, I think the idea of me doing fun stuff without her is just unfair, isn't it?
Yeah. And aren't you a bit lonely when you do it like by yourself?
Am I lonely doing it by myself? No. I actually, when I first started doing all my solo stuff, I thought I might get bored or scared or lonely or, you know, a multitude of things. I was really nervous about it. But then when I started doing it, I really... You asked me a question, now you're not listening to the answer. Yeah,
I am listening.
Was I boring you?
Yeah, but I'm
anyway,
still listening, yeah.
Are you? But I actually really enjoy being out on my own. It's nice because it gives you time to think and reflect, and
and it gives you like a bit of space, and you just get to hear some peace and quiet.
Yeah, and you connect with your surroundings more when you're on your own as well.
Is there a parking space?
Right, so the reason she's looking around like that is because the first adventure. So we've come out on this adventure together, and we've got to the car park. There's no spaces. So we're just kind of sitting here waiting, hoping that somebody leaves soon, because it is 1 o'clock. So some people might have been out in the morning and are now heading back. So yeah, we're just kind of waiting. There is another car park up the road, but you got to pay £5 and it closes at 5 o'clock. And I don't want to be on a limit to get back to the car. Albeit I would like to be back by that time because it's going to get dark. And secondly, it's £5 and I like free. This car park's free. So we're just going to hang out here for half hour, and if nothing happens, then we'll go up the road and pay the £5. But where are we? Do you know where we are?
No.
We're in the Peak District, and for the first time ever, I'm in the Peak District and the sun's out. However, it is forecast to rain this afternoon, but tomorrow's meant to be a sunny day. So we are planning on car camping. We've got a full-on mattress. I've never done that before, but I thought I wanted Darcy to be comfortable.
Is it that live mattress?
It's Darcy's single mattress off the bed. So yeah. Oh, there's a car leaving. Yay! We're gonna park up and then we'll come back to you.
Yeah.
You bring the boom boom into my heart. Stand up so sky when the loving starts. Right. So anyway, where were we?
Yeah.
We've parked up. We've got a space. Get in.
Yay.
We're car camping tonight. We're in the Peak District. We are about to head off on a walk and do Three Shires Head.
I am putting my coat on.
Darcy's putting her coat on, ready for the rain. I'm gonna get.
Ow!
Whoopsie.
Owie.
Yeah. Right. So we're in the Peak District. We're doing a car camp. We are off to do a little hike. It's a 7.5 kilometre trail, the one that I found, and it says it will take us 2.5 hours, but I imagine it will take us a little longer because someone likes to stop and look at everything when we go out walking. Oh, watch me climb this tree. Oh, watch me hang upside down over here.
Hey! It's not my fault I like to do creative stuff.
No, I love that about you. Anyway, so it might take us a little longer. Yeah, let's do this.
I can't wait to see some waterfalls.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Yeah.
So we've just got back from Three Shires Head. What did you think of your first proper hike?
I actually enjoyed it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have mud on my hand.
Oh, leaves, use the leaves. What do they say? Never work with children or animals.
What?
Yeah, Three Shires Head, beautiful walk. So 7.5 kilometres was the walk that we did, but I thought 7.5 kilometres would be manageable for little legs. And she did an excellent job. She didn't moan once. Really enjoyed it. Yeah, so we've just got back to the car park. Darcy's having a snack. I'm having a coffee. And we're going to chill out here. I'm probably going to have a look at the map and work out where we want to head to. We don't need to go far, so we could probably car camp here. I mean, it's pretty busy in this car park at the moment, but we'll have a drive around, and we could always come back to this car park later on if we don't find somewhere. So yeah, we're just going to sit and chill by the river for a bit, and then have a little mooch in the car, see what we find. Guys, we're trying to think of a name for the sheep's head. Darcy, what did you come? Darcy wants to call it something scary, but I've said no.
How about you put it down in the comments?
Yeah, that's a great idea. And I didn't stage that at all, I swear to God. Yeah, if you could put it down in the comments. Whoever he or she is just tucked down there by our toilet. Sorry, mate. Can keep an eye on Darcy while I'm driving.
No! No, don't.
Oh, this is our setup, by the way, for tonight. So this is our bed here. And I've got water, food, a fridge, and a toilet. I don't normally bother bringing the toilet. So I've stolen the toilet. I say stolen, I borrowed it off my friend Ian, but I didn't ask his permission before I bought it on this trip. So thanks, Ian. But I thought I'd rather have it than not, just in case little legs felt really uncomfortable, or we couldn't find somewhere to go. I didn't want to get caught short, and I thought, as I already had it, I'd just bring it with me just in case. We're going to go for a little drive and see if we can find somewhere to camp tonight. Look at my little angel. Had the car cleaned yesterday. I had the car cleaned yesterday, and she's worried about getting the floor dirty, so she's putting her shoes in a box. Isn't she a good girl? Oh, right, let's go. Right, come out of here and turn the corner and hope that we get signal at some point. So we think we found somewhere to sleep for the night. It's on the doorstep of where we want to go tomorrow, which is great. So I'm just going to make something to eat. I think I'm hungry, and we're going to chill out here. Darcy's got a book she's going to read. We've got some colouring in.
I got my Switch.
You've got your Switch.
This is our bed.
And I've got signal here as well, which is perfect. So it's not that late yet. It's only about 7, half 7, but it's really dark outside. Darcy's on her Switch. I'm going to say good night now, and we'll see you in the morning. Say night.
Night.
Good morning.
And today we are climbing the dragon's back.
Today we are climbing the dragon's back. So we parked up in a little town called Hollinsclough, I think it's called. I'll put the name up. We found some free parking, which is always a bonus. We slept relatively well. Well, you slept well, didn't you?
Yeah.
She was out for the count. I, on the other hand, didn't sleep very well last night at all. I just couldn't get to sleep, which is really weird. But anyway, this is the start of our walk. We'll bring you along with us.
Well, wait, we'll show you the dragon's back.
I'll turn you around so you can see it. Here we go. That is what we will be climbing today.
Giant.
Sun's out, it's a beautiful day. Let's do this. we've not got a lot of battery, so I'm going to make it quick. So we're going to leave the video there. We have had an awesome weekend. I've actually enjoyed having Darcy with me a lot more than I thought that I would. No offence. I've really enjoyed having you with me. You didn't moan at all. You coped really well with the hikes. What did you think?
I thought it was really nice going out for a bit of a walk.
A bit of a walk?
I mean, not a bit, but a lot of a walk.
So you enjoyed it. Would you want to do it again?
Yes.
Good. Many more adventures for us then. Yeah, I'd highly recommend both walks. Had an awesome time. Thanks so much for watching. We're going to love you and leave you. See you next time.
Bye.